Hello folks, Fgfrc. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. Well, here we go. We're going to take up the ZZD54. As you can see, there's my repair to my wing. Nice and strong. And just to let you know, the carbon fiber spar that's in this wing ends right there where that broke. So just so you're aware of that, okay? Already done my control surface test. Don't need to do a range test at this time. And we're going to do some takeoff flaps. And we're going to, let's get our motor on. Kind of weird how to hold this plane. I'd hold it right behind this wheel here. All right. Man, I'm running a what is it? The Hobby King batteries. Turnigy. Not a Turnigy. It's a Zippy. A Zippy 2200 3S enter. I have the motor's just barely on.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
I have the AR620 antenna-less receiver enter, which is just like custom made for this plane. Yeah, don't want to. Oh, something's going on. Yeah, there's no wind today at all. Oh man, what a beautiful plane. Tell you what, you just get her up there, cut off that motor, and just do some nice, relaxing flying. As soon as you hit that motor though, well, she wants to climb for you. She will climb. Tell you what, you know, the guy, I'm taking a quote from, I don't remember who said this, but he said, wasn't me, but he said, money can't buy happiness, but it can buy sailplanes. And this is a hybrid. This plane is a hybrid between, I've learned, stay level in your low turns.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
Stay level in your low turns, because it'll lead you into a false sense of security. Man. Yeah, she will climb. Climb and climb and climb. Yeah, you want to keep those wings level, especially when you get close to the ground, as I learned the hard way.
Landing flaps.
Man, what a fun plane to fly. So graceful and gentle. Motor's off. Now the motor's on. I was thinking about
Motor off.
taking her up again, but then I thought, nah.
Take off flaps.
Let's do something like I do with my, see if she's got enough power to do this. We'll do,
Flaps up.
we're not going to do takeoff flaps, but we're going to do
Motor on.
an underhanded throw. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the way I want to do it. Underhanded like that, just let her go. Oh boy. Yeah, motor is off. Of course, now this is with the little bit of wind we have. Turn the motor on there.
Time remaining 5 minutes. Landing flaps.
See if we can land her on a runway since we do have a wheel.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
I don't think that could have been any more perfect. Well, you know I gotta do that again. Yeah.
Landing flaps.
It's like you knew I had to do that again. Oh boy. That's fun.
Flaps up.
Okay. Yeah. Turn the motor on. So this time we're going to do it with no landing flaps. See if I can't get her to slide further or roll further. Oh, she's coming in too hot. Well, reason you have, that's the reason you have landing flaps, right?
Landing flaps.
Let me get off the runway here.
Motor off.
All right, folks. That is the e-flite SZD54 power glider. It's a hybrid between a sailplane and a power glider. She's got enough wing area, and she's light enough to where you can get her up there, catch a thermal, and oh look, see, it's got those wheel skids that kept the wing up off the pavement. and of course the wheels. So, and the evidence that it worked is, see on that skid there, you see the black? And then the black is on the end of those wing skids. Nothing hit my aileron, so, or hit my control surfaces. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the SZD54. That's kind of hard to say. Power glider, and there's my repair job. Strong as ever. All right, folks, y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.